In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Lovable website fully SEO ready. To get started, open Lovable and go to the dashboard or homepage. This is where you can begin creating your project, and it's the starting point for building a website with stronger search engine visibility from the beginning. Starting in the right place matters because Lovable uses your initial instructions to shape the structure and content of the site. If your goal is SEO, it helps to make that clear right away rather than trying to fix everything later. Once you're on the home screen, enter or paste a sample prompt describing the kind of website you want, and make sure the prompt clearly asks for a site that is fully SEO ready. This is the most important part of the process because the quality of your prompt directly affects the quality of the website Lovable generates. Be specific about what you want. For example, your prompt should indicate that the website needs SEO-friendly content, clear page structure, relevant headings, metadata support, and content organized in a way that search engines can understand easily. As you write the prompt, try to be clear and direct. Mention the type of business or website, the target audience, and the main purpose of the site. If you want a homepage, service pages, or product-focused content to be optimized for search, this is the time to say it. A well-written prompt gives Lovable better context and usually leads to a stronger result on the first build. Even if you're just using a sample prompt, the key idea is to guide the tool toward creating a website that is not only visually appealing, but also structured for discoverability. After your prompt is ready, click Build. This tells Lovable to generate the website based on the instructions you provided. At this stage, the platform will begin turning your request into an actual site layout and content framework. Depending on your setup, this may take a few moments, so give it time to process fully. Once the build starts, the main thing to remember is that everything depends on the prompt you entered beforehand. If the generated result is close to what you need, you can continue refining it later. But the foundation begins here. Start from the Lovable homepage, provide a strong SEO-focused prompt, and then build the site. That's the full process for getting started with a Lovable website that is designed with SEO in mind from the very beginning.